Attack on Titan is one of the most critically and commercially successful manga series of all time. Its popularity has propelled it into anime and live-action film adaptations. The basic premise of the story is that humanity has been driven to the brink of extinction by attacks from very large and very hungry titans. It's essentially a mashup of Godzilla and Goya's painting of Saturn devouring his sun. Wait, that's not YouTube friendly. There we go, that's better. Today we're going to photographically recreate the visual style of Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan is broken up into 34 volumes and 139 chapters. As I was reading my way through these tomes, I noticed some recurring framing and compositional elements. The first is the use of wide angles. Wide angles curve and distort the image, allowing a large subject to fit inside the frame. The wide angle distortion accentuates the Titan's misshapen features, and when combined with low angles, makes him look powerful and intimidating. Next is the Dutch angle, where rotating and tilting the view creates a disorienting effect. This is commonly used in comic books and manga to the point where film adaptations use them as an homage to the comic book source material. In Attack on Titan, Dutch angles are often used in action scenes to heighten the sense of a frantic battle, or to showcase a dizzying drop. Last is the anime zoom. These are the leading lines that you see on the outskirts of a shot, drawing your eyes to the actions or reactions of a character. You often see them combined with wide angles to highlight motion, or with extreme close-ups to heighten suspense. This is hard to replicate in camera, but can be easily added in post. We're going to be using these three elements to create a photo comic of a Titan invasion. But we're not living on Paradise Island, so where are we going to find Titans? Where can we find large, misshapen, human-like objects? The answer is modern public art installations. Through extensive research, I've identified several public sculptures that we can photograph to make them look like scenes from Attack on Titan. We're going to be hitting them up in a 48-hour window, taking photos with the techniques we learned, and then putting them all together in a manga style panel. Let's dive into it. Yeah, definitely.
I mean, the way, just the texture of the whole thing is really nice. It's really well done.
Yeah.
You can't do it.